Yak hair is a unique fiber, prized for warmth, durability, and versatility. Today, we explore a yak hair factory, where this natural resource is transformed into mountain jackets and ropes. Yaks are hardy animals that thrive in extreme mountain conditions. Their long, coarse undercoat is the source of durable fibers for textiles and ropes. Yak hair is collected by gently combing the undercoat during molting season. The process is humane and ensures the animals remain unharmed. Collected hair is sorted by quality, length, and coarseness. Only the best fibers are selected for premium mountain gear and ropes. Raw yak hair contains dust, oils, and impurities. Gentle washing preserves fiber's strength and texture for processing. After washing, hair is dried carefully to retain fluffiness and volume. This ensures fibers remain strong and ready for spinning or weaving. The fibers are carded to straighten and align them for uniformity. This step is essential for high-quality mountain fabrics and ropes. The aligned fibers are spun into yarn for weaving or rope making. Yak yarn is strong, warm, and naturally resistant to cold. Yarn can be dyed for aesthetic or functional purposes. Colors range from natural browns to vibrant mountain-inspired shades. Spun yarn is woven into thick fabrics for jackets or twisted into sturdy ropes. Every thread contributes to durability and warmth in extreme conditions. Fabric and ropes undergo finishing processes to enhance strength and smoothness. Each piece is carefully crafted for longevity and performance. Every product is inspected for quality, durability, and softness. Only premium materials are packaged for extreme mountain conditions. Finished products are folded and packaged carefully for shipping. Proper storage ensures fibers remain strong and ready for use. From Himalayan yaks to high-performance gear, every product is a masterpiece. Warmth, durability, and craftsmanship define yak hair products. The journey from yak hair to mountain essentials showcases meticulous care and skill. Every fiber tells a story of survival, resilience, and craftsmanship in extreme environments.